Say how impressed I am with what the Wilson OIC is doing here in this community. As I drove down the street, it was almost like the building came up from out of the sky. What Howard Jones has done down here is absolutely remarkable. It's truly carried on the vision and mission of Reverend Sullivan, and I believe, Howard, you started out at the very outset with Reverend Sullivan. Obviously, the parents and family and staff that are a part of this wonderful operation have instilled with them the vision and mission that Reverend Sullivan and Howard Jones have really been pushing for almost a half a century. As I walked in that room this afternoon, while I didn't know a lot about the individuals who were there, I was truly impressed with the young people that were there. As what was talked about in there in terms of the future, young people are absolutely our future. I mean, young people are the root of every community. Whether or not it's just in the community, or whether or not it's sports, or whether or not it's family. And as Howard said, you know, to let young people know how much you love them, and for young people to let their parents know how much they love them. I was glad to have the opportunity to share some of my experiences in financial services, about finances with these young people. I didn't have that opportunity when I was younger. As I said, I didn't have an opportunity to sit in a room like that and hear some of these issues. And as I said to them, the decisions that many of them will make over the next 3 years will affect the rest of their life. And I think we're all here to give back to these young people. I'm glad to be here. It's such a beautiful facility that's here. Hopefully I will be invited back because this is truly a beacon of light, not just in Wilson, but everywhere. As I travel across the country, I mean, this is, okay, a preeminent operation. Reverend Sullivan had mentioned this operation to me, you know, many, many years ago, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to come here and see all the great things that are happening.
This program you have been watching is brought to you by OIC of Wilson. Thank you.